Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. I am super excited because I have teamed up with TotallyDazzled.com to offer one of my blessed subscribers a $25 gift card for anything at TotallyDazzled.com. This will include napkin rings, brooches, and so much more. It's very easy to enter this giveaway, and the details are to like this video, subscribe to my channel, also subscribe to Totally Dazzled YouTube channel, and I will have that link in my description box below. To enter, all you need to do is comment "Bling Bling Totally Dazzled" in the comments section below. And that's it. Now, this giveaway is no way sponsored or associated with YouTube. By entering the giveaway, you are confirming that you are 18 years of age or older. You release YouTube and all brands of responsibility and agree to YouTube's terms of use. The giveaway will end June 7th, and I will announce it on my community page on June 9th. So good luck to all who enters, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye bye for now.